Okay, as you said multiple times about YAML file. So we know that we need a YAML file to create an EKS cluster. But what are the key components on that file, or what is some of the key components of the YAML file while creating a cluster?
Okay, thank you for asking. So first one, basically, we have to provide a name. Then secondly, we have to create, like define where we want to deploy the application. Then if we want to add some add-ons, we can simply do that. Like for example, there are multiple add-ons needed to deploy a few things, like EBS CSI driver is needed to deploy the storage class or configure a few things, and then we have to mention the node groups, like what are going to be the node size and how much resources it will take. And basically that's all. Actually the YAML file doesn't need that much details. That's the main beauty of the YAML file and command line interface. For example, if you wanted to create the same thing with the click ops, which means you have to click everything, it will take a lot of time, and you have to manually create everything. Like you have to deploy a VPC, then create your node groups inside that VPC. Everything you have to do on your own, and it will take a lot of time, and you have to remember, like if you did this or that every step. But with the EKCTL, within a simple YAML file, we can just use one command and it will be created. And we can go to their official site to check all the files, that how may we configure the YAML file. And EKS is quite popular with the companies, because it manages the Kubernetes cluster, and it deploys our efficiently, and all the companies use that because it is quite security proof as well. So good for any company.
Okay, thank you.